Good morning. Today is January 7th.
January 7th, 2025.
Yep.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. And look at our snow. Woo! Powder. Look at that.
Yep, so we just wanted to come out and kind of see. This is the first actual snow of our, since we put our greenhouse additions on, and we wanted to see how well it held up.
Yeah, we're going to go check our greenhouse. But look at that. Powder. Can we make a snowman from this? Woo! They missed out. Wow. There's a lot of snow. Wow, there's a lot of snow. Ooh! Careful with that thing. Is it snowproof?
Watch for the pond. Step in that.
Okay.
So as you can see, the roof is still on. That's a good sign.
What do you think about 5? No, 3 inches?
That's about 3.
And of course we have our snow plouder over there. Yep. The roof is still standing. Oof. Okay, let's open it, babe. Let's see.
So we'll see, and it's I think it's about 20 degrees outside right now. So it's cold.
Oh. Ooh, it's warm. Oh my gosh. I think it's working.
Yep, so all things considered, I mean, it looks pretty good. Looks like you got a little bit of ice on this one, though.
Oh, a lot of ice, actually.
A lot of ice. Looks like they're still at least freezing on the top. But, I mean, the greenhouse is not heated, so it's kind of to be expected.
Man, if it's frozen, I wonder if my Lotus is going to survive, babe.
I mean, you figure it's still... Yeah, I mean, it's like 30-something degrees right now. Which, again, I mean, it's like 20 degrees outside, but...
Only 10 degrees different. Yeah, I think the roof is gonna be okay. So we caulk everything. I think that helps too.
Yeah, definitely.
But now I'm worried because
Look, come over and stand right where I'm at. You can see. You can see the difference.
oh, the wind chill.
There, watch. Look. Okay, so you can see this panel right here. This panel is like nice and stiff and solid. But if you look at this one, because we don't have the brace in here, you can see this is bowed down, whereas down there is not. So we definitely do want to put our we want to finish this up when the weather gets better. So that way we don't have to worry about this part of the upper part of the panel popping in.
Oh, I hope it doesn't pop in before we put it in, man.
You know, I mean, I think we'll still be fine. We'd have to get a significant amount of snow for that.
Yeah, you can tell it's...
Yeah, but you can see the difference between where there's no additional support versus the additional support.
there's people that ask us the... Here we go. They want to know the thickness of these
1/16
metal.
inch.
Say it again?
It's 1/16. So this thing right here, you can see it. That's the measurements. It's upside down, but
Sorry, yeah, but I know there's a lot of people that ask us how thick the metal is. We got this from Lowe's, you guys, if you're interested.
yeah, any big box store will hold it. It's going to be in the tile section because that's just like the transition from where like the tile ends and like say a carpet begins or something like that.
And then another person also asked, like, is this a 1-ply or a 2-ply polycarbonate?
2-ply polycarbonate.
Yeah. But I don't know. I'm kind of worried about the Lotus.
I think you'll be fine. So we know that we just need to finish up those last 2 pieces just to be on the safe side. But overall, I mean, it's doing its job.
Yeah.
I have to consider some type of a heating, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it.
It's cold, you guys.
You're literally standing on one of your small pond things.
Oh, shoot. Thank goodness it's covered nice. All right, that's the update. Cold, windy. Woo! Show you something here. Yep. It's cold. And that's the greenhouse. Looking good so far.